Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic structure of DNA. Briefing on DNA. DNA is found in the cell of all living things. DNA contains all of the genetic information that makes you who you are and every individual's organism has unique DNA like a fingerprint. It contains phosphorus in the form of phosphate deoxyribose nucleic acid. It is a molecule that encodes the genetic instructions. Most DNA molecules are double-strand helix. Each molecule consists of two long biopolymers made of simpler units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of a nucleobase recorded using the letter G, A, T and C. Guanine, adenine, thymine and cytosine. DNA is well suited for biological information storage. Right? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acids. Term DNA was given by Jack Harris. DNA is biopolymer consists of nucleotides as monomeric units. DNA is double helical structures in eukaryotes and prokaryotes, but in virus it may be double stranded or single stranded and presented as monopartite or multipartite. In eukaryotes, DNA is presented in nucleus surrounded by nuclear membrane. In prokaryotes, DNA is presented in nucleoid region of cytoplasm without nuclear membrane, or incipient nucleus. In virus, DNA is presented in the core of virus surrounded by protein layer called capsid. What is DNA? DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is the hereditary materials in human and almost all other organisms. Nearly every cell in a person's body has the same DNA where it is located. DNA most located in the cell nucleus, right? But a small amount of DNA can also be found in the mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Structure of DNA. The structure of DNA is illustrated by a right-handed double helix with about 10 nucleic nucleotide pairs in double helical each turn. Structure of DNA. In 1953, Watson and Crick postulated a three-dimensional structure of DNA that accounted for both the X-rays data and the characteristics base pairing in DNA. It consists of two helical polynucleotide chains. Two polynucleotide chains coils around the same axis to form a right-handed double helix. In the helix, the two chains or strands are anti-parallel, that is, have an opposite polarity. Backbone of each chains, which consist of alternate sugar phosphate residues, are on the outside of the double helix facing the surroundings. Okay, the purine and pyrimidine base of each strands face inward toward each other. The base the bases are stacked perpendicular to the long axis of the double helix, right? The base pair of are 0.34 nanometer nm apart in DNA helix. A complete turn of DNA helix takes 34 angstrom. Therefore, in each helical turn, 10 bases are present. The external diameter of the helix is 20 angstrom. The helix has two external grooves. The narrow groove is called a minor groove, while the wide groove is called major groove. The major groove is the site for DNA binding proteins. The minor groove often are the site for binding small molecules, right? The pairs of bases are always between a purine and a pyrimidine, especially the pairs adenine pairing with thymine and guanine pairing with cytosine, which are the base pair found by Chargaff. There is hydrogen bonding between the base. Two hydrogen bonds between adenine and thymine, and three hydrogen bonds between guanine and cytosine. Two chains do not have the same base composition, but two chains are complementary to each other. Okay. DNA is a double helix. A sugar and phosphate backbone connects nucleotides in a chain. Hydrogen bond between paired bases hold the two DNA strands together, and DNA strands are anti-parallel. Seen these plates. Types of DNA. aDNA. aDNA is one of the many possible double helical structures of DNA. It is most active along with other forms. Helix has left-handed chains. Shorter, more compact helical structure. It occurs only in dehydrated sample of DNA, such as those used in crystallograph experiments. aDNA is fairly similar to bDNA. Deep major groove and a shallow minor grooves. The DNA structure may change to an A form, which is still right-handed, but every 23 angstrom makes a turn, and there are 11 base pairs per turn. Okay. bDNA, most common DNA conformation in vivo. Favored conformation at high water concentration. also known as Watson and Crick model of DNA, first identified in fibers at 92% relative humidity. Structures narrower, more elongated helix than A DNA. Wide major groove easily accessible to proteins and narrow minor grooves. Base pair nearly perpendicular to helix axis. One spiral is 34 angstrom. Distance between two hydrogen bonds is 3.4 angstrom. Right? ZDNA ZDNA is one of the many possible double helical structures of DNA. Helix has left-handed sense. It is most active double helical structures, right? Conclusions. The secondary structure of DNA is important in many events in cellular life. Replication, transcription, and regulation of expression of many genes depends on local differences or change in DNA structure. Recombinations which lead to rearrangement of genes takes advantage of the ability to form an unusual structures called a holiday structures. Also, different kinds of mutations occurs as a result of specific DNA structures. Thank you.